time to see more. From the moment you open your eyes, see more of every moment, more of every experience. It's time for Contoura Vision. Contoura Vision is so much more than the LASIK you think you know. It's personalized LASIK that can get you from good vision to great vision. 92.6% of eyes treated with Contoura Vision achieved normal 20/20 vision. But the results don't stop there. 64.8% of eyes treated with Contoura Vision achieved better than normal 20/16 vision. And in a study, it was shown that Contoura Vision outperformed glasses and contacts in 30.9% of eyes that received treatment. No wonder that when surveyed, 98.4% of Contoura Vision patients said they would get the procedure again. Contoura Vision is the difference between 20/20 and 20 happy. It's what brings to life the stunning details, colors, and textures that make every part of every moment more real. Contoura Vision is about you and real.